We can run away, fast as the time's up. Take me to a place no one can find us. Just tell me you'll never let go. Let's run away, oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So today's video, I'm gonna do a get ready with me for my mom's birthday dinner. It's going to Maggiano's later today. It's like 12 o'clock now, but we're not going until like later. But I wanted to film this video, y'all, I can't see. I wanted to film this video now because it's supposed to rain later. I won't be able to like film this later because the sun won't be out. Anyways, yeah, like I said, we're going to dinner. It's gonna be great. Hope I can like put this mirror up and it'll stay. It's not gonna stay. I don't want to like talk too much during this because I did already do to check it ready with me recently. I like filming these videos honestly because they're pretty chill, like, not too difficult to edit. I just like to say I'm so proud of myself for actually making videos. I'm on a roll and I don't want to lose that, and I'm proud of myself. I don't want to rush my makeup too much because I did my makeup for church on Sunday. Let me tell you, I had to rush like crazy and it was not good. I'm actually going to be wearing lashes today. I'm going to be wearing lashes all day. I have never worn lashes for an entire day. I always use this palette. Like, when am I not using this palette? Anyways, I'm sorry for covering up the camera. I'm literally just doing the same look that I normally do. And I was gonna do something different, but to save that for a video. But yeah, I know a lot of people like get ready with me videos. I personally love watching them. I don't know why. I know people like making them because, you know, they're easy. You have to get ready anyway. But I don't know. I like them. I'm sorry if I'm covering up my face. I literally can't see. But yeah. What else is there to talk about? This is my, oh no. My palette's cracking again. I got this Anastasia palette. Y'all can't see, but like the first two colors are cracked. Like that when I got it, but I honestly didn't care that much because I'm like, you know what, whatever. Like, I'm not gonna go back. At the time, it wasn't our local Ulta because we hadn't moved yet. Just like, whatever, it's fine. I didn't notice until I got home. Why does one eye always end up looking better than the other? I actually love this Jaclyn Hill palette. Ooh, what's going on? I haven't used every color. There's some colors in it that I'm kind of scared to use because like, very pigmented. I need to start doing makeup looks because I feel like once I stick with one, I never move on to a new one. To start doing different ones again. Like update looks, I guess. As far as like plans for the summer go, I don't have any. I'm busy for like 2 weeks in July, but like not the weekends, like just during the week. Other than that, I have no idea. I don't think we're even planning to go anywhere. I want to go to the beach, but my family doesn't want to go. Like, I feel like every summer for a while, like my summer was actually lit. Like my friends and I would go out. We'd stay out late. Nobody wants to do that anymore. In all seriousness, like if any of my friends are watching this and you want to do something this summer, let me know because I'm open to being adventurous this summer. I feel like there's no room to be boring. If my friends are watching this and you want to do something, you want to make moves, let me know because I'm open to literally anything at this point. Okay. Ooh. Maybe not everything. You're squeaking. The thing I'm sitting on is actually not a chair. It's like a little storage container thing. I need to start getting a foundation because I used to use foundation a little bit. Let me not do that before I set off the alarm. Story time. This is like a little mini story time. A few weeks ago, this is kind of embarrassing. So our windows have a sensor in them, basically. I'm gonna admit, I was opening a champagne bottle, and you know how like it has the cork or whatever in it? I was not expecting it to like pop. Y'all are probably like, why are you opening a champagne bottle? My parents don't give a single crap if I drink, which sounds bad, but like I'm 20, so like whatever. They don't care, like they're chill, like they're like, as long as you know how to control yourself, you're fine, like whatever. So I'm like, all right, bet. So I was opening a champagne bottle. I was in the kitchen, so I was like near one of the windows that has a sensor in it, and I wasn't expecting for some reason the cork to like pop the fuck out of the bottle, and literally it popped out. It sounded like a gunshot. Right when that happened, I was like, I know I just fucked up. And the alarm went off and I was just like, great. Like our house alarm went off and I was like, oh no. So I was like struggling at first, like, ooh, y'all, it does not, oh shoot. I was gonna say it doesn't look that intense off camera. Yes, it does. I basically set the alarm off, and you know, when our alarm goes off, you know, obviously the alarm company gets alerted right away. And so I get a call like 2 minutes later from my dad. Meanwhile, he was at a conference, so I felt bad. He's like, are you okay? Like the alarm company called, and I was like, yeah, like I just opened a bottle and it popped. And he was like, all right. Luckily, like they called him, because if they hadn't called him, the cops would have shown up. And like, how the fuck am I supposed to explain to cops, oh yeah, I opened a champagne bottle? And they'd be like, how old are you? I'm like, 20, 10 months left until I'm 21. They wouldn't care about that. They'd just be like, where are your parents? Be like, not here. That's my life. That's how my life is going. Y'all want me to do story times? I don't know if I want to expose myself. See, I don't know. Since like October of last year, my life is wild, honestly. Like, I feel like people are gonna judge, but like at the same time, I'm at a point in my life where like I just don't care. Well, I could do my first time getting drunk. That's a fun one. That's a really fun one. Not like first time, but like first like legit, like real, like drunk, like major hangover. Not like first getting drunk, but like I'm gonna do that. Really I just fill out the ends, because as you can see, and like the front, because obviously the middle is pretty freaking thick, so. I'm at a point, I don't care what my eyebrows look like. Ooh, look at these. I had to cut the ends of them because they're too much. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna put mascara on a little bit, then put the lashes on. I need new lashes. I need like more natural looking lashes. For my baby hairs, I use the Eco Styler gel and argan oil. I don't do anything like fancy with it, you know, I don't go crazy. Like I just do enough to like smooth them down. Y'all, I look cute, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this like little get ready with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.